My name is Graham McNabb. I'm the Managing Director here at Porsche Centre North Toronto. The team really came together on this project, and what I can say mostly is that the team embraced the challenge. Porsche Centre North Toronto was lucky enough to take this vehicle in as a trade-in. This vehicle had all the earmarks of a classic Porsche. Seeing the whale tail and the historic Targa on the side, I knew immediately it was a special car. I'm really pleased with the results. The work on this project was extensive. The first step was taking the engine out of the car. We resealed it, repaired any fluid leaks that were existing. The vehicle was sent to our partners at Excellence Auto Body. Back at Porsche Centre North Toronto, with the engine out, we were able to do all that reseal work. My favorite part of this vehicle is all the design cues that are still used today. Additionally, in this 1986 Targa, we added the Porsche Classic PCM radio. And the absolute best thing about driving a 1986 Targa is everybody on the road that looks at this car, looks at it and smiles.